We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button. Tell me you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Ocgn stock, Ocugen Inc. And the stock actually slightly pushed upwards, almost 10% from its lows to its highs. Now, it wasn't the only stock bouncing up. The SPY as well in the overall market, and many stocks were pushing higher. And this morning at 9 a.m. our SPY bot sent out a bull indicator, and call options were up within minutes after the bell, 2 to 3x, and for the day within the whole run, 5x to 7x, guys. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks are going. You can gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, which gets you connected to the premium indicators and the SPY bot. As you see it here though, the SPY had a full transition today. We'll have to see if things continue tomorrow. That's what we're going to be watching. But the dip area is the white with red borders, and extreme strength is green, and this is a full transition from the dip area to strength, and we'll see if it continues. Now, Ocgn stock kind of sat sideways but did push upwards, like I stated earlier, 10% within the day from its bottom to its highs. We're going to talk about some key levels and what 42 vision it's showing, because it's pretty exciting here based off the 30-minute. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Ocgn stock, Ocugen Inc. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So this is the one stock I was watching this morning, and it turned out to be consolidating, right, and pulling back towards the bell. You could see it there pulling back towards the bell. When I mentioned it, started to run, gave a 5 to 10% jump, pulled back pretty fast, and within minutes it jumped 20% plus. And here you see it popping up microscopically what happened within the 1 minute time frame and the shifts on 42 vision. The rest of the day it consolidated and sat sideways, dipped towards the end of the day, and gave a second 20% plus run, and you could see there the complete shift plus the extra layer of confirmation of the bull indicator on 42 vision, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day within the volatility of the markets. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump into these charts. So here we are with Ocgn stock, Ocugen Inc. And the stock, as I stated earlier, jumped up nearly 10% within the day from its lows to its highs. But it's actually pushing up higher. And we're going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision here. Even though it's been going downwards for the last several days, today there is a point in the chart that is very interesting and exciting based off the 30-minute. But we still need to look for other areas in the chart for confirmation, right? So let's pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, which you can now gain access to, the bull and bear indicators. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks are going. So here we have Ocgn stock. It was under a bear indicator since way up here at 459 the day after the news, right? We've already talked about in the previous videos how this news was not FDA approval, it was an FDA lift, one step closer to approval, right? So things quickly shifted downwards. They changed rapidly. Once some people digested that and realized that, that's when things changed. The next day, it kind of moved on momentum, hit a low here of 370s, hit a high here of 453, but with that bear indicator dominating and no bull indicator popping up anywhere below this area in this move, this was a fake out or just a momentum, bull trap, whatever it is you want to refer to it. It turned out to be a move that wasn't as strong enough to continue, right? And things shifted right back down, and we went down for the last 2 days. And we were under a bear indicator. No bull indicators popping up in this whole entire area. Now, we just got our bull indicator towards the end of the day. in the aftermarket hours. Is this strong enough to tell us what's going to happen tomorrow? No. We still need to break through resistance levels. We still need to see strength within the chart. Now, Ocgn stock though, the way it moved, the way it reacted, it is super important to realize that it did bounce back. It's leaving area of extreme weakness, going into an area of strength, but I'm going to be watching the 1 hour, okay? It still hasn't gotten a bull indicator. Right now, it's still under a bear indicator since way up here at the 446 mark, 450s, give or take. It's been going downwards, and it's trying to do its shifts, right? Usually, when these shifts happen, they tend to start to reverse, just like these examples right here, right? White with red borders going into dark green, or white with red borders, red with green borders, dark green, and a bull indicator. That's based off the 1 hour. So that history right there is what I'm watching. Are we going to shift into dark green? Are we going to shift into green? Get a bull indicator under the 1 hour? And if we do, are we going to go into full strength, breaking through resistance levels? Now, the 4 hour is the same thing. We've been under a bear indicator since way up here at $4. We're trying to shift back up. We need to see if this is going to be a fake out or real strength in the overall picture, because this is a penny stock, and right now the stock needs further catalysts to actually push higher. So right now the stock bounced from lows here of 271, which is actually, it doesn't show it here as a new 52-week low because it happened in the pre-market, but the 52-week low is 287. So we did hit a new 52-week low here with that low of 271. So if this goes back towards it, I'll be watching if it double bottoms and bounces back up, or breaks through it and hits newer lows. It's going to be very important to watch that area if things rapidly turn back around. Now, to the upside, we do have some key levels to watch, right? The first thing is the high of the day, 313, but that's not significant enough to let us know where this is going, because that's just a few cents above where it closed, right? And where it's at in the after hours, 310. So we need to see this actually break through 347. If you want to round that up to 350, you can. Turn that into a support, bounce off of that, and go up to this area up here of 440, where we can then actually turn that into a support here, bounce off of it, and go even higher. So it's going to be super important to watch that. Now, if we reach 440, the next level would be up here at 518 or $5 if you want to start off in between, right? But before getting there, we need to see what's going on in this area down here, bouncing up towards 440, and see if the strength can continue. But we just got that bull indicator there on the 30-minute, and if I pull up the 15-minute, you could see that thing started since today at the opening bell, right? So the more microscopic you go, the more focused in we could see in the volatility what's been going on. But based off the 15-minute, things are looking slightly strong, consolidated up here, showing some strength, not retesting back to the lows, and now the 30-minute actually popping up with a bull indicator. We'll have to see if this gets negated pretty quickly or if it could continue with strength. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.